Did your dashboard screen just completely go blank while you were driving down the highway? You might be dealing with a P0644 diagnostic trouble code. This specific code means that your vehicle's powertrain control module has detected a complete breakdown in the serial data communication circuit linked directly to your driver display system. In modern cars, space and wiring are extremely limited. Instead of running a massive bundle of separate wires for every single gauge, manufacturers use a system called the Controller Area Network Bus. This network acts like a high-speed digital highway where the main engine computer and the dashboard screens communicate by sending single bytes of serial data back and forth. The driver display usually refers to the main digital instrument cluster behind your steering wheel, or sometimes the heads-up display projected onto your windshield. When the engine computer stops receiving the proper digital signals from the dashboard monitor, it flags this communication error. Because this code is purely related to information display, the symptoms are mostly visual rather than mechanical. The most obvious symptom is a total loss of the driver display system, meaning your digital speedometer, fuel gauge, and information screens will completely shut down or freeze. You will also have a check engine light, and there may be other communication codes stored in the computer's memory. The good news is that this specific failure will not cause any dangerous engine issues, so your car will still drive perfectly fine. You just will not know exactly how fast you are going. The most common causes for this frustrating electrical issue include a blown fuse hidden under the dashboard, a blown fusible link under the hood, a burned-out power relay, a physically defective dashboard monitor, or a short circuit somewhere deep inside the wiring harness. In rare cases, it could also be a software programming error inside the main powertrain control module itself. To start troubleshooting this at home, the very first thing you should do is grab your owner's manual and locate the fuse box diagrams. Carefully check every single fuse and power relay related to the instrument cluster and the interior displays. A simple blown fuse is incredibly common and takes only seconds to replace. If the fuses are intact, try clearing the engine codes with an OBD2 scanner and taking the car for a test drive. Sometimes, a random voltage spike can cause the dashboard to temporarily crash, and resetting the system is all it takes. You can also inspect the wiring harness under the steering column for any loose plugs. Diagnosing digital data networks is notoriously one of the most difficult jobs in the automotive industry. If checking the fuses does not instantly solve your blank screen, you will absolutely need to take your car to a professional mechanic or a dedicated automotive electrician. Tracing a shorted wire through tightly bundled network harnesses requires expensive factory scan tools, digital multimeters, and a deep understanding of computer data lines. They will be able to safely pinpoint exactly which module has crashed without causing further damage. Thank you for tuning in today. Hopefully your fix is as simple as a basic fuse, and drive safely out there.